The seats have some pin marks on them, so we're going to sand this smooth and then fill all the holes, because the back of the seat is actually going to be carbon fiber. 320 grit, wet, because we don't want this stuff flying around, and we'll wet sand it all smooth. The bottom of the interior is going to need some work, because you're going to see it through the bottom of the chassis. So this surface here in the tunnel, and then this flat surface here, I'm going to have to sand it all out. Before I put the dash in primer, I decided to make some carbon fiber templates using some Tamiya tape. So basically I just wrapped it in pieces that I could cut out the backs of the seats, templates made. I'm going to be using Mr. Finishing Surfacer by Mr. Hobby, 1500 black. The 1500 is the grit, so this is a very fine surface primer. I'll be thinning it with Mr. Color Lovely Thinner, 1-to-1 ratio. I'll go to 5 milliliters and then double it to 10. I'm going to be using my Master airbrush for this one because it has a 0.35 tip. I need the extra volume to move this primer. So it's masking time. The door panels are going to remain black. This little center console thing here, this is aluminum. This steering column is aluminum as well. The base here is aluminum, so we'll mask that as well. This is Mr. Masking Sol Neo. If you remember, we made templates for the back of the seats. I'll be using Miniature brand carbon fiber twill medium. Template on the back. This is going to sound like a commercial or something, but this is why I love his decals. Put them in the water upside down, get the paper wet, and then take them out of the water. This is real time. Look, it's coming off the paper already. Put some water in the back of my seat here. Okay, that was real time, 8 minutes and 12 seconds.
Perfect.
Hey, welcome back to the Scale Model Experiment. If you're new here, my name is James Tester, and this is my YouTube channel. I recently did a resin printing video series, and I printed this Hoonicorn Mustang body from an Andre Bezrodny file, and the overwhelming majority of you all said build the model kit. So I went ahead and I printed all of the pieces with my Elegoo Saturn 4 12K printer, and got started with the interior. I started it, today is Saturday. I started working on it on Wednesday night, prepping, and by Thursday night I was painting, and last night I did all of the decal work and the seatbelts on the final assembly. So it's been a crazy couple of days, but I wanted to get this video out this weekend to show you all the start of this project. Over the next coming weeks, I'll do the body decals clear, build the chassis. My goal is to have this car finished by Plastic Undercover show in Akron on October 12th. So it gives me just about a month, which is normal for me to build a model. I'm putting a little extra detail into this project, so it may take a little longer. I also have some things coming from PZY CHITUBOX in the month of September, the Ferrari F40 Liberty Walk car and the Varis Yaris Time Attack car. So I have a full plate. So stay tuned for those videos, and I appreciate everybody watching, supporting the channel. The channel's on fire. I'm humbled that 10,000 of you out there really want to see me gabbing to you on the internet. Thank you. Thank you so much. I really appreciate all of your support. Hit that subscribe button, share it with a friend. Let's blow this channel up. Thanks everyone, and we'll see you next week. Bye. You still here? Go ahead and order yourself a t-shirt, hit the subscribe button, and watch the next video. Thanks everyone. Bye.